Hey there, this is Matt, and I just wanted to share with you a little bit how we begin our entire set construction process. It all begins with our ideas, and we bounce some ideas, and we kind of know where we want to go with the set, and then we start into our design phase. So we have an artist here who helps with constructing our set and designing our set every year, and she does an amazing job at taking our ideas and putting it down on paper. And so as you can see here, this would have been the very first concept of our set, and she actually sits down and draws it out by hand because that's just her style of doing artwork. You might have somebody who's more computer oriented, or maybe you have somebody who just is a great drawing artist as well. So we just begin with the initial concept. Not everything that's on this drawing actually ends up the way it is, or some of the stuff didn't get finished at all, but it at least gives us our initial concept. And so we go with our first drawing, and then what we begin to do is break down all the big pieces of that drawing into smaller pieces. For example, here is our packet that our artist then draws up of our time machine. So we've taken that big drawing, and now we're going to zero in on just a few pieces, and we're going to go through how every piece is built and how it's going to, what size it's going to be, and kind of what shape it's going to be. And again, then our artist gives this over to our construction team, and they figure out how we're going to build it. And so we did this with our construction packet here. This is just the time machine and how everything is supposed to look when it's all said and done. And then our construction team will get the pieces ready, cut the right size pieces, and give them back to our artists, who begin to paint our set. And so the best thing to do, you've got your guides. Look at your guides, see what kind of ideas there are, brainstorm some additional ideas or how you want to tweak stuff or change stuff to fit your church, and just sit down and design it all, and then break your pieces down into smaller pieces and design those individually. And that's a great way to get started with building your set.